Bankruptcy in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I'm an attorney. Along with my partner, Roshan Jain, we represent victims of legal malpractice, personal injury, and impersonal bankruptcy. I've been asked today to talk about personal bankruptcy. And in particular, what documents are you going to need? You're going to call a lawyer, and he or she's going to say, I need some documents. And you want to be prepared. If you call us, these are what we're going to ask for. If you call any other lawyer and you have these documents ready, you're going to be in good standing. You're going to be ready to go. He or she can help evaluate your case with you. So what other documents? We've listed 12 basic areas of documents, and they're really easy, and only one of them costs money. And that's just like $10, $15 for a credit counseling certificate. So number one, your license. If you're not licensed, your state ID. We need a copy of it. We're going to need it. The trustee is going to need it. We need it from the outset. Number two, your Social Security card. We're going to need it because we need the Social Security number for the bankruptcy petition. We need to verify it, and the trustee is going to need to verify it. They're going to need to look at it. Number three, 2 years of tax returns. If you haven't filed them, that's okay. We just need to know that. But if you have filed them, we need them. We don't need to hear an answer that somebody else has them or you'll get them. We're going to need them. Number four, bank accounts. Financial institution accounts. Even if there's nothing in them, even if they were closed recently, we need copies of those. Number five, payroll. If you're self-employed, whatever payroll you use, that is whatever spreadsheet you have, or it could be a bookkeeping system. But if you're not self-employed, 3 months of payroll, 6 months of payroll is even better. Your attorney's going to need it. Get it prepared, get it. It's all electronic and doesn't cost you anything. Number six, real estate documents. If you own a house or you have owned a house, the deed and the homestead. If you don't have a homestead, we're going to have to get one for you because that's the way you protect your home in Massachusetts, and it's a great law. Number seven, retirement accounts, 401k, IRA, KEO, Roth IRA, SEP IRA, whatever you have. We can protect it, but we need to have the documents to show the account number, what's in there, and you'll protect it in bankruptcy, but we need to give it the information on the petition and to the trustee. Number eight, what your assets are. If you have any assets that have any significant value, such as a car, we need to have some documentation as to the value. You can get this, again, for free. Number nine, debts, credit card debts. We just need one piece of paper for each debt. The next one is going to be your credit report, so we need that. But we need a copy of your debts because they may not all be on a credit report, and there may be some that will never be on a credit report, such as a private loan or a doctor's bill or a hospital bill, something of that nature. Lawsuits. If anyone's filed a lawsuit against you, we need a copy of that. We can get those lawsuits discharged 9 times out of 10, 99 times out of 100, but we need the lawsuit. When we file the bankruptcy, we file a suggestion of bankruptcy, and that lawsuit goes away, typically. And the last thing I mentioned earlier was a credit counseling certificate. This may cost you $10, $15, $20. You have to take the class over the internet. It's easy. No one's ever failed the class. You just have to do it. It's part of the 2005 law under President George Bush. People protested it at the time. Now it's just part of the process. You do that, and then you have one other credit counseling class you have to take at the end of the bankruptcy, and that's it. If you qualify for personal bankruptcy, it's a fabulous law. You get a fresh start. The law says you get a fresh start. Take advantage of it. Be ready to meet with your lawyer. Be ready to talk to your lawyer. Get those documents in order and get yourself a fresh start. If you have any questions, call Burns & Jain, 617-227-7423. Thank you.